Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you know that the upcoming iPhone 14 series will be launching in the month of September, and maybe the September 6th or the 8th is going to be the official date of the upcoming iPhone 14 series. Basically, we have seen multiple reports and leaks coming from different sources, but today leak is coming from a Twitter leakster Apple Pro, which source has an hands-on experience of the device, and to be honest, it's going to be a disappointing. Well, basically, the source confirmed that the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max will be having a new front display. Basically, instead of having a notch, we now have a pill and a hole cut out on the front of the device, which is looking a little bit better as compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Well, basically, despite having this pill plus hole cut out on the front of the display, the functionality is going to be the same. Like we have the same Face ID and we have the same camera sensor on the front of the display, which is not changed, and it's basically same as the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Only the display has been reduced from notch to this pill plus hole display. And he also mentioned that the bezels on the front of the display are going to be even less, and it is going to be an absolutely great thing to have. He also mentioned that don't expect to have any upgrade in terms of the display. It's going to be same as the last year iPhone 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max. No changes is going to be coming in the display department. He also mentioned about the camera sensor that are coming for the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max. And basically this is the year when Apple is finally going to be upgrading its camera sensor from 12 megapixel to 48 megapixel. Basically, this new megapixel count is going to bring some improvement in terms of video and the photo quality, and multiple sources claim that the 8K video recording is going to be coming in the new iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro models, which is amazing. I believe that Apple will not be using this as a gimmicky 8K video as we have seen in some Android devices, and we hope that Apple will bring a fully functional 8K video recording. And this new 48 megapixel camera sensor will be bringing some downside as well, because as you know that the pixel binning technology is used when using the 48 megapixel technology, and the pixel size is going to be reduced, which causes the low light photography to be grainy. As the source claimed that despite having a larger sensor and a 48 megapixel camera sensor, the night photography is going to be not as much great as the iPhone 13 series. But I think that this is not going to be true, because Apple is a company which brings one of the best things when it comes to video and photos quality, and if the functionality is not good, then they will not certainly implement it. And it's still a prototype which he tested, so things can change when the official launch is going to be coming. Well, according to sources, this year iPhone 14 series will not be including any mini device. Instead, it has been replaced with the iPhone 14 Max devices. Basically, four iPhones are going to be launching. The iPhone 14 will be coming. The iPhone 14 and 14 Pro are coming with a 6.1 inch of screen size, whereas the iPhone 14 Max and the Pro Max are coming with a 6.7 inch of screen sizes, which is going to be great. And as far as the pricing is concerned, there is going to be a disappointing news, because many sources claim that the upcoming iPhone 14 series will be expensive as compared to last year model. And the launch date is going to be on September 6th, according to Max Weinberg, whereas the 16th September is going to be the date when we finally see the device in hand. And guys, I'm super excited about the iPhone 14 I'm super excited about the Pro models of the device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.